Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyamin campus. Today I delivered a lecture on page number 166. Question number 3 is same like question number 2, and construct question number 4. Construct the following angle. First one 60 degree, second one 90 degree, 135, 150 and 165 and 120. Today I told you how to draw these angles. I tell the method of these angles now. First I draw 60 degree. Okay, take any ray of any length, then take a radius of any length. Okay, first put the compasses here, draw first arc, then second arc. Okay. 60 degree angle done. We given the name of these points A, B, C. Then how to draw the 90 degree angle, no? Okay. Take any radius. Take first arc, then second. Okay, then second, then cut the side arc with the help of first arc. Okay, then again draw same case, you draw the same radius. Take a radius of any length, okay. Draw third arc of 180. Okay. Draw this angle of 150 degree. Okay. In part 4 we need 150 degree, therefore draw the line. Okay. If you don't need, then draw the dotted lines. Okay. This angle show 135 5 degree angle, and then 150 also done how to draw. Now we draw after this 160 degree. Take any radius. (160°). 120, 180. Draw 150 angle, 150° angle. Okay. With the help of 150° angle, we draw angle 160°.
नीचे
165° angle done. Question number 5. Bisect the following angle, for example 30°, 65 and other angles with the help of draw a line with the ruler and draw an angle with the help of protractor. Okay, check. Draw an angle. A, B, C. P bisect point. This one is bisect point. Okay. तमाम एंगल को इसी तरह नेमिंग दे देनी है आपने और इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेप भी लिखने हैं आपने इसी तरह. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन राइट फर्स्ट स्टेप, ड्रा एन एंगल ABC 30° with the help of ruler and protractor. Step 2, with the vertex B as a center and a suitable radius, draw an arc to cut the arm BA and the BC of the angle at L and M respectively. Then step 3, with the L as a center and a radius more than half of LM, draw an arc. Step 4, with the M as a center and the same radius, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at P. And step 5, join B and P. Join B and P. And step 6, measure angle ABP and the measure angle CBP. And the measure angle ABP is equal to measure angle CBP is equal to 15. You can check in this diagram. All other example you can be draw like that and write the suitable steps for all example. Bisect the following angle: 30°, 65, 130°, 72 and 150 with the help of protractor, not use the compass. Write the draw the question number 6. Draw the right angle with the help of protractor. Bisect the angle of 45°. Okay, you draw the angle like as 90 degree but with the help of the protector. Okay, how to bisect? Question number 6. Draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of protector with the B as a center and the suitable radius. Draw an arc to cut the arm BA and BC of angle at LM respectively. With the L as a center and the radius more than half of the LM, draw an arc with the LM as a center and the same radius. Draw another arc to cut the previous arc at P. Join B and P. Measure angle ABP and measure angle CBP are both are equal and same. Question number 8. Both sides पे you draw the angle of 90 degree, taking a perpendicular on point P, both taking the same point, and left and right, and draw the angle of the 90 degree. Okay. Question number 8. Draw a line segment PQ of length of 5 cm at each end of PQ. Draw a line perpendicular to PQ are 3 lines parallel. Okay. Step of construction. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 5 cm. Write the name 5 cm. Take a length 5 cm PQ. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 5 cm. Step 1. Then step 2. At both end P and Q of line segment PQ, draw a line perpendicular to PQ and we find lines LP and MP are parallel to each other. Okay, both are parallel to each other.